Hi there, friends. Welcome to Easy English. Today we're going to learn something super fun and important. The days of the week. Are you ready? Let's go! Okay, let's start with the first day of the week. Can you guess what it is? That's right. It's Monday. Say it with me. Monday. Great job. After Monday comes Tuesday. Say it with me. Tuesday. Awesome. Tuesday is a great day to learn new things and have fun. What's your favorite thing to do on Tuesday? Next up is Wednesday. Say it with me. Wednesday. Wednesday is sometimes called Hump Day because it's the middle of the week. We're halfway there, friends. After Wednesday comes Thursday. Say it with me. Thursday. Thursday is a great day to be kind and help others. What's one kind thing you can do today? Yay! It's Friday. Say it with me. Friday. Friday is the day we celebrate because the weekend is almost here. What's your favorite thing about Friday? Now it's time for the weekend. First up is Saturday. Say it with me. Saturday. Saturday is a day to relax, play, and have fun. What do you like to do on Saturdays? Last but not least, it's Sunday. Say it with me. Sunday. Sunday is a day to rest, spend time with family, and get ready for the new week ahead. What's your favorite Sunday activity? These are the days of the week. Let's say them again. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Don't forget to practice them every day. And if you love this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Easy English, and hit the bell so you never miss a fun learning adventure. See you next time, friends. Bye-bye.